Hey everyone, Jared here from Gearhead Grind, doing another video for you today. This one I'm going to go through the 2006 Silverado 2500 HD. It's a Duramax, but that doesn't matter in this case. I'm going to do a video of how to remove the door panels because I need to switch out the speakers in the front. One of them doesn't work, so I'm going to replace them with some kicker front speakers. But I've actually noticed on forums and various places, people having a hard time figuring out how to get off these door panels on the service truck model. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a video on it. Hopefully it helps somebody out and make sure to post this, but it should be a quicker one. Let's jump into it and I'll show you how it's done. All right, so if we're looking at this door panel, there's only a few things that we actually have to do to get this door off. It's relatively simple. So first off, you wanna go ahead and pull this cover here. You don't need to pull the door handle, which is one thing I see people commonly say. So you basically just get in, if I had two hands, this would be real easy to just pull this off. Then you want to go ahead and remove the lock cover. You should just be able to get it off with a flathead screwdriver. You can also use the plastic ones. I actually have them. I'll probably go run and grab them. To just get in here and you just pop it out. Real easy to remove. And then for the door handle, we need to go ahead and remove the clip that holds this door handle on. So in order to do that, you push the door in a little bit and there's a clip. Let's see, rotate it to see that clip in there. But what I do is I basically line it up so the top of the C-clip is on, the C-clip is on the top like that. And then I come in with my little hook basically and I just pop it off. To get it back on is going to be a little bit more of a pain. We can use some pliers or basically a flathead screwdriver and you just push it back on. Getting it off should be easy though. You also want to come up here and just pop off this panel. Should just have a couple clips and make sure to pull straight out. See if I can do it with one hand here. Yep, there you go, just two clips, and then it has this bottom one, so it basically pops off and then pulls out that way. And then coming down here to the bottom, we have this little 7mm head bolt. And then there's also one I forgot to mention right here under the lock. And then there's another one right here under the door handle. Once you remove all these, the door just kind of pulls out a little bit and then slides up and comes out. So let me go ahead and pull out each of these and then I'll come back and show you how to take the door off. See how this clip pops up? If you don't pull it too far off, it'll actually sit right there. That way when you put this on, you just push it back down. You just pull that off. All right, so for those that are here for the speaker part, in order to remove this, it's a little bit of a pain, at least it was on the other side. You want to pull this rubber piece out. That way it allows this to compress, and you want to get in here with a flathead screwdriver or another tool and basically get it in and be able to pry the speaker out. It's definitely a two-handed job, but it's held on by these clips down here at the bottom, so if you just tilt it out, it'll come out really easily. And then there's a clip on the back side that's plenty easy to remove. So this speaker works, but I have a new set of kicker speakers here that I'll put in. So one note, because of how it mounts in here, you can see even the OEM speakers have the holes. So what I'm going to do is put the kicker speakers in place, mount the holes, and then drill them and put some self-tapping screws in there to hold the new speakers on. That's really all it takes. And then you just reverse the order of operations to put the door back on, put all the bolts in place, put the handle in, put your cover back on here, put your handle cover on, and that should be all there is to it. Make sure to line up your door lock with the actual position that it should be. So in this case, the door is unlocked, so you line it up with the hole right there. Hey everyone, I know that was a quick video, but really it didn't need to be any longer. So hopefully it helped you out. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know, put in a request for something on a truck or vehicle that I have, and I'm happy to help if possible. Please like the video if it did help you out, subscribe if you want to see more videos. It really helps, and I don't make any money off these right now, so it's all just trying to help other people out. But yeah, quick to the point. Hopefully it helped you out, solved any problems that you have, and show you that taking the door on and off only takes a minute or two. All right, well, thanks for watching the Gearhead Grind channel, and see you on a future video. All right.